Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Jane Express antifreeze refractometer. It's an ethylene glycol propylene glycol in antifreeze freezing point temperature and concentration at blue DEF and industrial battery fluid tester. It's a really cool device to check the antifreeze on your car engine. For example, the wiper fluid or, of course, the engine coolant. And so many more, like AdBlue and. Because we have in this model here nearly everything what we can choose. Ethylene cyclone, propylene glycol, AdBlue, battery, no problem. The model have only a nice system with indicates of the percentage freezing point uh, um, value that helps us to show what is our additional fluid in our engine, for example, with that freeze model. The model is really cool because with such a refractometer, this is a laboratory or a field device for the measurement of an index of refractometry. The index of refraction is calculated from the observed refraction angle using Snell's law. For mixtures, the index of the refraction then allows to determine the concentration using mixing rules such as the Gladstone-Dale relation and the Lorentz equation. Standards refractometers measures the extent of the light refraction as part of a refractive index or transparent substances in either a liquid or a solid state. This is then used in order to identify a liquid sample, analyze the sample's purity, and determine the amount of concentration of dissolved substances which the sample can be. As light passes through the liquid from the air, it will slow down and create a banding illusion. The severity of the band will depend on the amount of substance dissolved in the liquid. For example, the amount of sugar in a glass of water, or in our device here, it is the antifreeze level in our AdBlue, in our ethylene, and in propylene, in our battery, and of course in our wiper fluid. And it's really easy to operate this. We have to use only one drop on the diffractometer. Then we can look through the device, through the diffractometer, and we can read on the scale what coolant level we have on the scale. Of course, before we perform this the first time, we have to calculate this device to a standard distilled water level. For this, there is a screw attached, and we have to tighten the screw or loosen the screw until the distilled water line is reached with distilled water. After this, it is ready to use, and we can start with the measurement of our liquids easily by using a refractometer. It's really cool and easy, as you can see. The weather is getting cold. Our car and equipment need to be repaired and maintained, preventive maintenance. This refractometer here is suitable for detecting various antifreeze fluids, which can protect our car, and it helps us to drive safely in cold winter time. For example, we can use this for testing antifreeze, homemade antifreeze based on freezing point, homemade antifreeze based on the concentration percentage, detecting battery fluid too, And of course, it can detecting the AdBlue Fluid homemade AdBlue mixture, for example. It's really cool and it makes a good job. This is the Gain Express Refractometer. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.